Let me tell you guys, I think apparently tuko na desert safari. Hii ya Dubai inaitwaje? Desert safari. Hebu watu wa Dubai mniambie, what is that called? Yeah, that's desert thing, drive, we have it in UTAWALA, by the way. Okay, if we are not to use the word desert safari, I think we can call it safari lari. Wacha nikwambie, the funny thing about it, and it's not even funny, by the way, is you're going to sit in a mat, and then people have closed windows, and this dust is coming in. It's maybe like the driver has not closed his window, so dust is getting in. And man, these guys close to the windows. They never want to open windows. The place gets too stuffy, and then you almost feel like you can't even breathe. You can't breathe. And then you tell this guy, man, so fungua dirisha, like no one is clear baridi. Wow. Hey, you guys, you need to see this for yourself. And I think, like, for us, we are cruising every morning. Like when you go to work, man, you have to enjoy the safari rally or the desert safari. Like, aren't we lucky? It was government. We are lucky, by the way. When you reach at your place of work, you really have to clean up yourself. Like, apparently I am coming so early at work, earlier than like 1 hour, 2 hours earlier than, because man, by the time you get out of the mud, man, it's like you're from, I don't know, you all like, you're looking like this person. Anyway, guys, if you live in UTAWALA, tell me what's your experience about this whole thing towards that's close to 75. Yes, guys, people tell me, do you guys enjoy it? Because personally, I've begun enjoying it, except for people who don't want to open windows. You at least you have to open windows from this side, and then you get to from the other side. But man, anyway, in life too. Ooh.